When I talk to the heads of the insurance companies, whether they are small or big, and specifically I ask them, what are the challenges in underwriting department? And what comes consistently comes back is that inconsistency in underwriting decisions. And that could make a huge difference if you ended up giving a low premium to one person and for the same condition ended up giving a high premium to somebody else. You you risk losing the customer. On the flip side, if you make a wrong decision and end up giving insurance to somebody who he or she doesn't fit in your SOP criteria, you are undertaking a huge risk. So undertaking department has this problem where the SOPs are hundreds of pages long. The product keeps changing, compliance keeps changing, so not all the underwriters are able to keep up with this amount of change. And what's end up happening is the error rate goes up, the productivity goes down. So some of the solutions we have worked with few customers is we using Paradiso AI Course Creator. You can just feed it the SOP or the compliance document or your internal guidelines. Just feed any data to our AI, and what comes out through the processing is a very well interactive, engaging course. Whether you want a micro learning or a long format, you can choose, and you can choose the language. And what you get is a course which converts these SOP into courses. So what used to take some of these companies is 3 to 4 months when the new SOP rolls out to get the course out. Now they're able to do it with 3 to 4 hours. The AI spits the course out within 15 to 20 minutes, and next couple of days, the reviewer reviews the course, makes some adjustment, changes some images, whatever minor edit needs to be done, about 10-20%. But most of the structure of the course, the storyline, the voiceover, all of that comes out within few minutes. So that has helped the underwriting department to increase the speed of change and keep up with the change. And by keeping up with these changes in the SOP, the error rate goes down. Second thing is, as the process changes, whether in SOP or guideline or compliance, a micro learning recertification module, if you will, gets distributed immediately within few days of the process change, and that gets broadcasted to everybody through micro learning system, through your Microsoft Teams or Slack. Our LMS integrates with all that, or even SharePoint, and they get the alert of what has changed, and they can take the micro learning module, just that part, whatever has changed, they need to finish, not the entire course. The next most important thing is, because this AI, the Paradiso Maya bot, has been involved in making the courses, in supporting customer support on the sales call, every time it gets the data, it gets better and better. And as a reminder, your company's data stays private. It's only used for your organization's AI support. So your data is not used to train our generic model. So it doesn't go to the LLM, or it doesn't go on internet. So nobody else knows about anything which is going on in your organization. But on the flip side, it takes that data and helps your other departments. So the customer support data helps the sales data helps the executives, and the underwriting team also benefits from all this data you're gathering. So just like a snowball, the AI model within your organization gets better and better to serve you better. So in underwriting, these models have gotten so much better after a couple of months of usage, is that they're able to pretty much do underwriting with 90 to 95% accuracy, and your team is reviewing. Of course, there is always a human in loop, but with our Maya, not only it helps you create the content, answer the questions, but it also helps you in decision making. And if you don't trust it to make the final decision, you can use it as a decision support system to be able to only escalate complicated cases to Maya and get its feedback. So with all of these AI solutions, the LMS, the e-learning authoring tool, we have seen up to 50 to 60% reduction in the error rate. The consistency goes up, and the error rate goes down. And the culprit has been the outdated knowledge. that has been isolated as a problem, and through AI, through the speed of change, we are able to overcome this pain point of outdated knowledge and give the latest knowledge to the underwriters within few days of any change.